Belarus committed to assisting Syria. The government of Belarus has announced a donation of approximately $420,000 to provide Syria with humanitarian necessities in support of its rebuilding efforts. Various items will be delivered to the nation such as sugar, medicine, electrical transformers, trucks, a tractor and a large cement mixer. The funds to purchase the supplies will be set aside from the government's national budget for addressing emergencies and natural disasters. Our warm gratitude and heaven bless you, Belarus, for your kind support. May the noble Syrian people quickly rebuild their country while moving forward in peace and unity in Allah's compassion.
Scientists detect black hole closest to Earth. Astronomy PhD student Tarindu Jayasinke and team at Ohio State University have located a black hole 1500 light years away from our planet within the Milky Way galaxy. While it is small for such an astronomical object, its mass is approximately 3 times that of our Sun. The black hole was identified as the researchers observed that its red giant companion star shifted shape due to its gravitational pull. For its rarity, they call the object the unicorn, which is also the name of the constellation Monoceros, where it was located. Following this detection of one of the tiniest black holes so far, scientists expect more discoveries in the future. Thank you, Ohio State University researchers. In divine upliftment, may our inner wisdom be opened further to the vast secrets of the universe.
Volunteers isolate themselves in cave to explore human adaptability. A group of 15 people recently completed 40 days of living in a cave in France without any clocks, sunlight, or phones. They instead relied on their body's own sleep cycles to organize their days. During the study conducted by France-based Human Adaptation Institute's Deep Time, water was taken from a well and electricity was generated with a bicycle. The use of technology was limited to cameras as well as instruments for movement tracking and sleep pattern measuring. Also, cognitive function and brain activity were assessed before and after so a comparison could be made. Following the experience, the participants had varying perceptions of how long they had spent in the cave. The research could shed light on how our brain adapts and finds new solutions in extreme situations. What a fascinating experiment, Human Adaptation Institute. We appreciate humans' capability to live with less and pray we will always remember to rely on the celestial grace.
Major alternative energy project advances in Taiwan, also known as Formosa. Denmark-based clean energy company Ørsted is establishing 2 wind farms approximately 60 kilometers from Changhua County's coast to be the largest offshore wind establishment in Taiwan or Formosa. The plants are set to produce about 900 megawatts of eco-energy, a capacity capable of powering 1 million homes each year. Planned to be ready in 2022, the project supports the country in achieving its Earth-friendly goals. Great work, Ørsted, for expanding your green technology globally. We are also happy for Taiwan or Formosa. In heaven's wisdom, may all nations abundantly utilize zero-emission sources with a vegan diet to create a cooler planetary future.
Tanzanian woman excels in hydroponic farming. Mwami Mlangwa is operating Tanzania's first hydroponic farm in the capital city of Dar es Salaam to provide fresh produce without using pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Her company, Mwami Green Veggies, has also opened a second farm and extended her offerings to include yellow, red, and green peppers, tomatoes, and eggplants. Of the many benefits of hydroponics, she noted that the method requires much less space and water than conventional farming and thus can be implemented in cities near consumers. Ms. Mlangwa received her know-how in Israel and now helps students from nearby universities who come to her farms as part of their education in horticulture and agriculture. Bravo, Mwami Mlangwa, for your dedication and sharing spirit. May such vital initiatives help boost the health and well-being of the gracious people in Tanzania and beyond in God's abundance.
German plant-based brand introduces product line in United Kingdom. In addition to their already 13 scrumptious creations, Germany-headquartered vegan food leader Like Meat has created Like breaded mini drumsticks, with plans to release the item in the UK. The new plant-based chicken provides a tasty gluten-free source of fiber and protein for both children and adults. Like Meat works together with the United States-based Live Kindly collective of businesses to promote vegan alternatives as the foundation for a sustainable global food system. The company's products are available in 15,000 stores across 10 European countries as well as in the US. Congratulations, Like Meat, for the successful launch of your Like mini drumsticks. In divine light, may a global switch to the compassionate lifestyle soon become reality for peace and harmony to reign worldwide.
Wild dogs given new life in Canada. The Kingston Humane Society in Ontario, Canada saved 6 huskies who had been living in the wild without ever experiencing human contact. Estimated to be from 1 to 4 years old when found, all the dogs were somewhat undernourished. To help the canines become more social and more familiar with human presence, a radio was played and they were hand-fed. The organization's veterinary assistant, Talia Fleming, said, "We had to be patient with them. We just sat outside their kennels and talked to them. Thankfully, 4 of the 6 dogs have been adopted so far. Our heartfelt appreciation, Kingston Humane Society and all involved in the rescue and rehabilitation of these beautiful huskies. May they be blessed with a kind future full of friendships and happiness in heaven's comfort."